Hi guys, so this is a tutorial how to make a kid core channel, so yeah. So basically just you use any Gotcha app, but Gotcha Life is the most one to use. And I'll be making basically make like you put on clothing that you like really with really bright colors and other stuff, but I'm kinda bad at explaining, so you could just search up some some kid core clothing ideas for the most part, and you can have like a multicolor hair or just one color hair, and you could have a lot of clothing if you like. I would have a lot of clothing because it's cute and stuff. And you could also make sorry guys, a alarm went off on my brother's phone. Anyways, so yeah, you could have multicolor eyes if it's cute, if you like it or whatever. It was a tornado warning, but I think it was a test. Sorry about that, guys. And basically you could go on Pinterest or Google and search up some dream core or weird core background and stuff. And so if you have CapCut will be the best editing app for it. So yeah, basically like pick any background. Like pick any background and just get a character. I would if it contains like any green or colors if it contains green, then I would use a blue background the best. And then press remove background right here and press chroma key. Press the background. Keep it as that because it'll and yeah, that's how you will do it. And if you have trouble with the voice thing, then I would just say something. Go to text to speech right here. Pick any voice. I use the adorable girl one, so yeah, basically that's how you make a kid core channel. And mostly I would use your OC as a profile and put your name as whatever, like just a normal name, it doesn't matter, just pick any name. Anyways, goodbye.